Bigger or smaller, fancier or simpler, every kitchen is heart of the home. Fancy backsplash, shiny floor, all of these things matter initially, but in the long term, everything comes down to cleanliness and warmth in your kitchen. And I believe you do not need any fancy item for decorating your kitchen, like this simple wicker basket which I have used for storing eggs. I have used a colorful napkin as the base so that the eggs are not damaged. The basket also stays clean and it adds that warm touch in our kitchen. I also love using wicker baskets for storing extra items like this picnic basket over the fridge. If you have any awkward empty space in your kitchen, you can easily decorate them using chopping boards and platters. You can stack them and instantly they will add that warm touch in your kitchen. I always pick functionality over decor because in the long term functionality is more important to me. Like this simple glass jars which I picked up from Grofers for just ₹90 are my favorite for storing spices. I can see the spices clearly. I have stacked them using this stand and my cabinet looks clean. They are easily accessible and they add that warm look into my kitchen. This cabinet of mine has glass doors, so especially I tried to use such beautiful jars so that the kitchen looks beautiful and organized. This tall cabinet is the first thing you will notice when you enter our kitchen. This was a dead space which we have converted into our snack cabinet. So it has got all our tea supplies, our favorite mugs, some snacks. And I have again used some beautiful jars for keeping all the knickknacks. It not only looks pretty, the kitchen and cabinet looks organized. And you can see in the backdrop I have added a simple wall frame as well. It gives a quirky and warm touch to the cabinet. In the lower section of our cabinet we keep these jars. These are our cookie jars where we keep rusk and some biscuits for our daughter. She also knows that we have kept some stuff here, and this is the section where I keep my tea supplies. Slowly and gradually I'll be changing all the stuff here, but this is how it looks right now. These colorful knickknacks not only make this cabinet beautiful, it also gives that warm fuzzy feeling whenever we look at it. It is also easily accessible, so it makes us very convenient for us. Lightweight wall frames are also one of my favorite ways of adding some color and decor into the kitchen. You can easily hang them over cabinet using these simple hooks. These are hooks which do not need any drilling, and you can add any frame or hook on the wall. These frames will not only make your kitchen look beautiful, they will tell a story about you as well. You can also hang such metal hooks which can be used for adding mittens or hanging lightweight items. I love using them all over the kitchen. Colorful and beautiful tea towels and kitchen towels are also my favorite when it comes to adding some pop of color into the kitchen. They not only look beautiful, they are functional, and you can keep changing them according to your mood and weather. If you have a window in your kitchen, then nothing like it. You can use the windowsill for keeping your plants according to the sunlight condition. You can add a small curtain. I have hand stitched this curtain and also added a bunting. This makes the corner very lovely and warm, and I also try to keep my small vegetable garden here. Basically, I'm trying to grow some herbs here. All of this just makes my heart full of warmth. Even if your window does not get too much sunlight, you can add plants like money plant, ZZ or snake plant. They will easily survive on the windowsill. Hanging pendant lamps are also another excellent way of decorating your kitchen. You can add lamps in different textures, in different colors. Like I have tried to use red in my kitchen, so I have added this red lamp in one corner, and it looks very beautiful. During the evening it looks very peaceful. I very often switch on this light and do my chopping and cutting here. And I think hero of my kitchen are these open shelves. So this was a dead space. If I would have kept a cabinet here, it would have made the kitchen darker. So instead we opted for two open shelves, which I use for decorating my kitchen. Shelves are such a versatile thing. You can decorate them in different styles using different elements. I have used my recipe books, some plates which I use occasionally, different knickknacks. On the lower section I have again some recipe books, a small cute cottage, which because I love cottages. These open shelves give me liberty to decorate my kitchen without disturbing the functionality of the kitchen. I do not have to use the kitchen counter. So I love these shelves, and whenever I post pictures of this corner on Instagram, I receive a lot of compliments. So I love decorating this corner. If you are worried about cleaning your open shelves, then do not stuff them with too many things. Just keep very few things, and then you can easily clean them once a week. If you have glass kitchen cabinets, then they are the perfect option for displaying your favorite crockeries which you have collected over the years. I love displaying my crockeries in the glass cabinets. I stack them in different ways whenever I feel like. I switch the places, and they add such a lovely look to my cabinet. And a lot of them remind me of my family. Some of them have been gifted by my mother-in-law. Some of them I purchased during the initial years of my marriage. So looking at all these lovely things just makes my heart warm. A simple stack of white plates and bowls can also look gorgeous if neatly organized. This is the one which was gifted to me by my parents during the wedding, and I absolutely cherish it, so I always keep it in front of my eyes. See, whenever you are displaying your crockery as a decor, it will always have some story behind it. I know a lot of us get such crockeries from our family. Most of them are heirloom pieces, so they are very special to us and our families. So this is an excellent way of decorating your kitchen cabinets. You can also color coordinate the crockery so that you can get a more aesthetic look. The countertop space next to your gas stove should not be cluttered. It should have some very basic things, like in this corner I have kept mustard oil, salt in the burnie, then I have ZZ plant propagating and a pepper crusher. I have kept all these things on a wooden platter, which makes it look organized and clean, and I have ample space to work as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and very soon I'll be coming with part 2 of this video. Thank you so much for watching Metro Mom.